Okay, let's check out this experiment that makes the invisible world of germs, well, visible.
So, a third-grade classroom actually ran an experiment to find out exactly that.
They used this powder called Glo Germ. It acts just like real germs, showing how they transfer.
The experiment started with just two people, secretly infected, the teacher and one student.
After just a couple hours, it was time to see where all those germs ended up. And what's crazy is everything you're about to see started with just those two people.
First up, the teacher's phone. As you can see, it was totally covered.
And the student's desk? Same story. Heavily contaminated, a place where germs can live for days.
Get this, some germs can actually live on a hard surface like that for 9 whole days.
So germs are on surfaces, but how do they get from there into our bodies? Well, the #1 defense is actually super simple. Just don't touch your face.
Easier said than done, right? We touch our faces about 16 times an hour without even thinking.
Even the guy running the experiment who was trying not to found it all over his face.
Here's a cool way to think about it. Your eyes, nose, and mouth are like the Death Star's exhaust port.
And our hands are what give viruses a direct ride right to that weak spot.
This is why hand washing is so important. So they ran another test to prove it.
A quick rinse? It leaves a lot of germs behind, especially under nails and on wrists.
But when you wash for a full 20 seconds, yeah, the difference is night and day.
So what are viruses anyway? Well, they're super simple. Just a shell with some DNA inside. And then they've only got 3 goals. Find a host, make copies, and then spread out.
Which is exactly why things we do every day, like shaking hands, spread them so well.
In a handshake experiment, germs from person number 1 made it all the way to person number 8.
So what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Be prepared, be aware, but don't panic.
Seriously, better hygiene isn't just for now, it'll save lives for years to come.
So after seeing all this, it really makes you think, what's one thing you'll change?